Om Shri Sai Ram. Namaskar. Myself Vargav Sen from Kolkata. I welcome all of you to my channel Prem Pravaha, which is dedicated to my Lord and Master Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. My greetings of love to all of you, Sai Ram to all of you who will be watching this video. We, the entire mankind, the entire humanity, is passing through a very difficult, uncertain, unpredictable, very tough time. We all are passing through, where each day we wake up with news of so many people are dying. There is no oxygen, so much of destruction going on all over. The minds of people are filled with so much of worry, anxiety, fear, uncertainty, and everything is surrounded with so much of negativity. And as I feel that everything is energy, and we are intaking so much of negative energies through all the news. You open news, same story. You open Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere we are circulating so much of news which are related with this COVID and all, with this negative news, with this news of dying. Like everything is ruled by some negative vibes. Friends, being in this line of spirituality, rather what Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba has taught us, that being spiritual is nothing to do with monks and sannyasis. Being spiritual is like what? Spirituality is the way of life. It's a way of becoming a better human being each day, following your master's teaching and reflecting his teaching in our own day-to-day life and making ourselves an example of the teaching of the master. Like we human beings, whatever we are facing today, I feel it is created by us only, because we have disturbed the 5 elements of the nature. We have killed animals, we have cut off the trees, we have done so much destruction to the nature, being the supreme creation of the divine. Somehow I feel that we human beings, हम सब फील करने लगे थे कि oh, we are superior than Almighty, we are superior than God, we can do everything, we have all the powers in our hand. And now see what has happened. We are left with no powers. हम लोगों को अपनी असली जगह समझ पे आ गई कि हम लोग के हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. And the strange part, what I feel, that हम लोग किस लेवल तक चले गए थे कि हम लोग भगवान का भी बंटवारा करने लगे थे. It's high time. Wake up, man. Wake up. It's a wake up call from Almighty. भगवान का जो क्रिएशन है, भगवान क्रिएशन, हम उसमें भी हाथ लगाने लगे थे, thinking ourselves superior. We have divided the people, we have divided God, we have divided the religion, we are fighting, forgetting the oneness, forgetting love. We have taken the path of hatred, thinking ourselves to be superior. कोई तो है जिसके आगे है आदमी मजबूर. And I feel now we all are understanding this. Nothing is in our hands. Nothing. I feel, friends, now the time has come. We should forget all our differences. We should jointly come together and pray to Almighty to intervene. In every yuga, when the Lord has come, before His arrival, we have witnessed, we have read through the scriptures that कितना destruction हुआ है, कितना अधर्म बढ़ा है. As in Gita it is said, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर् भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मनं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतं धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. So what is said in the Gita, that before the arrival of the Lord, this happens. जब अवतार पुरुष फिजिकली नहीं रहते हैं इस दुनिया में, जब हम लोग अत्याचार करने लगते हैं साधु संत इन सब के ऊपर, जब हम लोग सोचते हैं अपने आप को कि हम लोग राजा है, तब तो ये होना ही है. These are all indications, a awakening call for us, we human beings, कि अब सुधर जाओ, क्योंकि कोई आने वाला है. So, I feel that the only way out which is left for us is to come together collectively and pray to Almighty to intervene, to help us to come out from this very uncertain phase of time. Let's be together and pray wholeheartedly to Almighty to manifest. हर एक युग में ऐसा हुआ है, धरित्री पृथ्वी सब एक होकर प्रार्थना किए हैं, पुकार किए हैं, तब भगवान आए हैं, श्री राम बनकर, श्री कृष्ण बनकर. और इस कलयुग में शिरडी साई, परती साई, सत्य साई बनकर प्रभु आए थे. And what Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba has always said, that the sadhus have prayed and I have come. So, standing in this phase of time, let's pray. Let's understand our true nature and pray to Almighty, collectively coming together, that to save us from this situation. The time has come. Really, the time has come. And we should understand it before it's too late. Stop spreading so much of hatred in the name of religion. In everything, in every field, politics has entered so much that we have forgotten the true nature of our own selves. Let's behave like human beings. Let's behave like the creations of the divine. And let's pray to Almighty so that He manifests soon, because His physical presence, His order can set this world again towards a way of peace, towards a way of love. I want to end this video by singing a Sai Bhajan, rather offering this Sai Bhajan at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. Let us all pray to Almighty to give us His strength, give us His power, His energy, so that we can come out from this deadly phase of time. In this phase, we all are following certain precautionary measures, wearing mask, sanitizing our hands, and that should be done, must, to protect ourselves and our family from this deadly virus. But what I feel, what about the virus which is there in our mind, which has entered our thoughts? How to sanitize that virus which is there within? एक ही उपाय है, constant contemplation, sumiran, prayers. Let's intensify our prayers. Let's intensify our chants. That is the way we can sanitize our within. So, let's join in together to this wonderful bhajan and pray to Almighty to heal our mind, heal our within, heal our thoughts, and to heal His entire creation, the entire Mother Earth. Samasta lokha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokha sukhino bhavantu. Let's join together in this very beautiful bhajan. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा। All together. साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम, साई माता पिता दीन बंधु सखा, तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम। मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा, मुझे मुक्ति दो मेरे साईं शिवा। साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा। साई राम, साई राम, साई राम।